Hi, warm greetings to all. I am Dr. K.J. Sunmista, Assistant Professor of Commerce from the Standard Fireworks, Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivakasi. Logistics and Supply Chain Management is the emerging course in which the Scor model is what we are going to learn from this video lesson. The learning objectives behind this is to understand the concept of the Scor model and to know the role of Scor model in supply chain management. First, let us understand what is Scor. It is the abbreviation of Supply Chain Operations Reference. This model in supply chain management defines, analyzes and improves the various processes involved in supply chain management and regulations. It aligns the supply chain with the business goals by using various core functions. The major functions involved are planning, finding out the source of materials, making, that is manufacturing the product, delivering it to the required customers, getting sales returns if there is possibility, and enabling any kind of additions in the supply chain. It provides a common language to the internal as well as the external users and beneficiaries in the supply chain. Thus, it provides standard metrics in terms of reliability, responsiveness, agility, cost as well as assets. As inventory is an asset, it should provide standard metrics at all levels, and it gives a hierarchy for benchmarking the performance of the persons or the authorities who are involved in maintaining this supply chain. It diagnoses various issues that emerge in the supply chain process. It optimizes the operations from end to end, that is from customers' demand to the fulfillment of their needs. This diagram will provide you the key elements in the processes of Scor model. First one is the planning. What are all the materials required for our manufacturing process? That is decided. And next one is sourcing. The appropriate supplier is to be sensed out, and it should involves minimum transportation cost and economical purchase is to be made. And the next step in the process is manufacturing. We have to make the manufacturing process without any time delays, production breakdowns and time lags. The delivery of the manufactured goods should reach the customers on time, and if emergency situation occurs, returns are to be procured from the customers. The Scor model, it involves 3 levels. In the first level, the scope and context of the supply chain is fixed in terms of the geographies, that is the location involved, the market segments involved, the product line, product mix and all. In level 2, it identifies the major configurations within the location, within the market segments and within the product mix. In level 3, it identifies the various key business activities within the configuration, that is from material procurement, manufacturing, testing, packaging until it reaches the hands of the customers. And finally, let us come to the conclusion. The Scor model makes the supply chain as a current one. It should not be obsolete or outdated. The supply chain should be a well structured one, that is, it should possess the goals, the scope for further expansion, and it should involve the steps in a procedural way. and it should be a proven one, that is it shows the demonstrated success in a working environment. It should be repeatable, that is it can be used in multiple environments for multiple industries and products. It should provide a suitable method, that is it should indicate business processes, practices, strategies with digitalized technology, so that it can develop several business relationship for the business successes. So with this I am winding up. Let us meet in the next class with the next lesson. Thank you.